Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back again to our channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. And please bear witness for that because I made over 250 videos so far in Shopify customization that were mostly requested by you guys. And I know some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them, so don't hesitate, man. If you have any video requests or any questions, just drop me a comment below. I will be happy to provide you information you need or even make a video for you. And yeah, you don't have to subscribe, or maybe now you should consider doing so, because if you don't, you lose. Now it's a very different chapter on this channel. I usually share small customizations, but now we'll be sharing complete sections and widgets highly customizable to make a Shopify store very unique and professional without having to rely on those expensive teams or hire on those expensive developers, or even worse, paying for those monthly subscription applications that will drain your money, and it's not a very good idea for long-term projects. But I give you a better deal. Scroll down to the channel, check out the videos and sections I'm sharing, and I'll let you be the judge, and I'll respect your decision. But for now, let me show you how to add Instagram social proof widget on your product page completely free and by using your own custom code, and it's customizable. You can customize it however you want, and you can also add a link for it. And I will show you all of this completely free again. So I would appreciate if you can hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. And also leave me a comment. I do reply to each comment, and it's free as well. The code is free, the comment free, and the like is free. Without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is Shopify down team, so I always start with completely new team, nothing on it, and each video adds small customizations. By the video like 70 or 60, the team will be completely different. But I think I reached that level halfway. For example, this one all-in-one reviews carousel that will show reviews from multiple sources, Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Etsy, all in one place, and it's filterable, as you can see. Or even better, check out this recent sales notification that will show you the recent sales on your Shopify store by using your own custom code, and it's highly customizable. And I already posted that video as well. Or you want to see something that will make you more money? Check out this one. As you can see, this is the mouse cursor. So I will try to leave or close the page now. And this thing will show up, which is an abandoned cart pop-up reminder that will show up when the user is trying to leave. And it will only show up if I added a product to the cart, which is I did. As you can see, I have a product in the cart, and it will remind me here, you got one item in the cart, make sure to check out and pay you the money he owes you. And this is by using your own custom code, no applications involved. And yes, the Instagram social proof widget. I apologize, I will quit now. So let me close this page and let me access a product from here to do demonstration. As you can see, everything in the Shopify store, I did it in tutorials. So if you saw anything that you like and you think it looks good, you want to implement it, then check out the channel because all of this is by using your own custom code and it's already posted. So let me just access, this one has so many stuff. I will do this actually on another team. So let's just close this and we will do it on the Horizon team, which is the new one. And yes, I have a complete series on customizing Horizon team, and it will be posted soon, no worries. So let's just access actually the product page from here and get back in here and click on customize. Click on customize or the button on the team, that you want to use. Click on customize. Then from here, we're going to navigate to the product page because we need to add widget on the product page. And you might see me access the team customizer. You might think, oh, it's already available on the team. No, it's not. We will add it by using our own custom code, and it's completely free again. So click on the home page at the top of the page, then click on the product in here and select the template you are using for your product page. In my case, I'm using default one, so I'm going to click on it. Oh, what a cutie. Let me actually switch to another product that doesn't have much info. This one is full of stuff. Yeah, let's just do demonstration in here. So we will add the Instagram social proof on, and actually I just remembered something. There is two types of this code. The code that will show up will show the widget across all your products, and the second code will show the widgets only on the specific products that you want. So I will show you the first one, which will add the widget across all your products, and the second one will add the widget on the specific products that you want. And I will show you how to specify the products, of course. So let's just do demonstration on the first one, as I said. So click on the area where you want to add it, or you can add it anywhere, or actually just use this one because it's easier. So click on below the last one, click on the last one below the text, click on add block. What happened? Okay, here it is. And use the search bar to search for custom liquid and click on custom liquid button right here. And And on the right panel this time, you will see this section where you're gonna paste in some code. And where you're gonna get that code, you need to hire a developer, pay him with 24 hours. I'm just joking. Scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website, completely free again. This is completely free. Just download the zip file, will contain 2 files. And the first one is the one we're gonna use, which is will show the widget across all your products. And the second one, I'll show you what it's called. So simply open the first one that's called Instagram Social Proof widget. Open it with any text editor on your computer, then copy the whole code inside it, then simply paste it in here. It's very simple, right? Then click on Save button, and here it is. As you can see, it shows up. You can drag it up to position it anywhere you want. For example, let's just add it in here, maybe. Yeah, below the buy it now if you want. Then let's just click on Save button and see it live on the product. And also I will show you the second one, which is only for specific products that you want, and I will show you how to add a link for it. So it will be clickable. So let's just get back to product and let's just access this one. And here it is. And it's interactive. As you can see, the icon for Instagram is interactive, and you can customize the text and the number, of course. Everything is customizable. If we get back in here and search for that 10 million, here it is. I already see it, as you can see. So you can simply change this 10 million to anything you want, and it will be changed in here as well. And the same for the text as well. You just have to look for it in here. You can change it. Actually, here it is. Views on Instagram. As you can see, you can change the text as well. Now, let's just do demonstration on how to add this widget on the specific products that you want, or the ones that you shared on Instagram. And to do that, simply open the second file this time, which will be called with tags Instagram social proof widget.liquid. Open that file, with any text editor on your computer, copy the whole code inside it again, then simply paste it in here. Simply paste it in here. And if we zoom out, it will not show up. Why? Because we need to specify the products that you want to show this widget on. And how to do so? That's very easy. I'm gonna open up another dashboard in here because we need to get back to previous one to show you how to enable the link for it and set a custom link for it. So in here, let's just say I want to add it on this product, because actually if I reload the page, come on, reload the page. Yeah, it's gone now. I just remembered I didn't click on save button. Sorry, I had to get back in here and click on save. It didn't. So now, as you can see, it's gone. Let's just say I want to show the widgets on this product, on this particular product, none of these, just this product or other products as well. So get back to Shopify dashboard, then simply search for that particular product. I'm gonna type in Anchor, which is the same name for this one. Then here is the product, and simply I'm gonna go to the tag section right here and add Instagram tag. That's very simple, right? Simply click on add and make sure it's here, as you can see. Then click on the save button. Now if we get back in here, and we have to wait a couple of seconds because the browser cache sometimes caches the page, the previous page without the tag. Now if I reload the page, the widgets will show up. Here it is, as you can see, it did show up, and not on this product, only on that specific product. And to add it on other products, simply add the Instagram tag to the other product and it will show up on them as well. How to add a link? Very easy. Get back in here and zoom in on the code. Let me scroll down actually, or click on the code just like you want to write something and done. If you are using Windows, click on Control F. I'm on Mac, I'm going to click on Command F and it will show me this prompt, and simply type in link, and here it is. It will be highlighted. Then the next thing you're going to do is select from this arrow right here, select from here until the dots, until URL. You see it says URL 2 dots, select from here, then remove. That's very simple. And remove this 2 dash lines and the arrow, as you can see, this one, the closing bracket. Simply delete these 2 as well. Now we already see the link in here. As you can see, it says your Shopify review url.com. And replace this one with any link you want and it will be open. Let's just see that in action. So if I click on save, now it did show up, as you can see, because we added the tag. Now if we get back to the previous product, which is this one, and if I reload the page to make sure the changes apply. Now if I click on as you can see, it's already clickable. If I click on it, it will take me to your Shopify review url.com, which doesn't exist. So that's how you add Instagram social proof widgets on your Shopify store completely free. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.